In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a sequential approval workflow in Monday. Start by going to monday.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, open the board where you want to manage approvals. If you don't already have one set up, create a new board for this process. The goal here is to create a board where each item moves through approvals one stage at a time, so each person is notified only when it's their turn. As soon as the board is open, begin by adding the columns you need. Click the plus icon to add a new column. Then choose a status column. Name this first one Approval Stage. This column will show where the item currently is in the overall workflow, like first review, second review, final approval, or whatever stages make sense for your process. Next, add another status column and name it Approval Status. This one is different from the stage column. Approval Stage tells you which step the item is on, while Approval Status tells you the outcome at that step, such as pending approval, approved, or rejected. Keeping these separate makes the workflow much easier to automate and track. Now add a People column. This is where you'll assign the approvers. Depending on how you want to structure the board, you can use one People column for the current approver, or create separate People columns for each approval level. For a basic sequential setup, you can start by assigning the first approver, and then use automation to notify the right person as the item moves forward. Once your columns are ready, go to the top of the board and click Automate. This opens Monday.com's Automation Center. Click Create Automation to start building the first step in the sequence. Look for a recipe similar to when status changes to something. Notify someone. This is a good starting point for an approval workflow because it lets the system react as soon as a status changes. Select that recipe, then configure the trigger. For the trigger status, choose something like Pending Approval in the Approval Status column. That means whenever an item is set to pending approval, Monday.com will notify the person you've assigned as the first approver. For the action, set it to notify the appropriate person from your People column. You can customize the message so the approver knows exactly what needs their attention. Keep the message short and clear. For example, that an item is ready for review and approval. When everything looks right, click Create Automation. Now create the next step in the workflow. Click Create Automation again. This time, build an automation for what happens after the first approval. Choose a recipe where the trigger is when status changes to approved. Make sure you're using the Approval Status column again. Then set the action to either notify the next approver or update the workflow to the next stage. For example, when the first approver marks an item as approved, you can automatically change the Approval Stage column to the next stage, then assign or notify the second approver. If your board uses separate approver columns, notify the person assigned to the second stage. If you're using one People column, you may choose to update that assignment before sending the notification. Repeat this process for each approval stage you need. The idea is simple. Each time approval status changes to approved, the item advances to the next stage and the next approver is notified. This creates the sequential flow. One person approves, then the next person gets alerted, then the next, until the process is complete. You can also add optional automations to keep the approval stage column updated automatically. For instance, after the first approval, update the stage to second review. After the second approval, update it to final approval. This gives everyone on the board a quick visual way to see exactly where each item stands without opening every detail. As you build, make sure the status labels are consistent. If one automation looks for pending approval and another looks for approved, those exact labels need to exist in the status column. Consistency is what keeps the automations working smoothly. Once the workflow is built, test it. Open a sample item and change its approval status to pending approval. Confirm that the first approver receives the notification. Then, mark that item as approved and check whether the next approver is notified or whether the approval stage updates the way you intend. Continue through the full sequence to make sure every step happens in the right order. If something doesn't fire, double-check the trigger column, the exact status label, and the person assigned in the People column. Most issues come down to one of those settings. At this point, you've built a sequential approval workflow in Monday.com that moves items through each stage in order and notifies the right people at the right time. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. From here, you can refine the workflow even further by adding rejection paths, deadline reminders, or automatic updates when the final approval